हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज के वीडियो में हम देखेंगे नेशनल सिंबल्स ऑफ इंडिया। नेशनल फ्लैग, तिरंगा। Tiranga has three colors: deep saffron at top, white at middle, and green at bottom. In the center, it's a navy blue wheel with 24 spokes known as the Ashoka Chakra. It was adopted on July 22, 1947. The flag was designed by Pingali Venkaya. National Anthem, Jana Gana Mana. The national anthem of India, Jana Gana Mana, composed originally in Bengali by Rabindranath Tagore, adopted its Hindi version as the national anthem of India on 24 January 1950. National song, Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram is a Sanskrit poem written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, which he included in his 1882 Bengali novel Anand Math. The poem was first sung by Rabindranath Tagore at the session of the Indian National Congress 1896. The first two verses of the song were adopted as the national song of India on 24 January 1950. National fruit, mango. Mango originated in India and the country is home to more than 100 varieties of the mango. National animal, Royal Bengal tiger. It has a thick yellow coat of fur with dark strip. To check the steadily less population of tigers in India, Project Tiger was launched in April 1973. India is home to 80% of tigers in the world. National bird, peacock. On 1st February 1963, the Government of India had decided to have the peacock as the national bird of India. National flower, lotus. Lotus is the national flower of India. It is often called as a water lily. It is the national flower of India and Vietnam also. National tree, banyan tree. National vegetable, pumpkin. The pumpkin is India's national vegetable. It is also known as a kaddu. National heritage animal, Indian elephant. Indian elephant is the national heritage animal of India since 22 October 2010. National reptile, king cobra. National aquatic animal, Ganga's river dolphin. Dolphin found in the Indian subcontinent part, which is split into two subspecies, the Ganga river dolphin and the Indus river dolphin. The Ganga river dolphin is primarily found in the Gangas and Brahmaputra river, while the Indus river dolphin is now found only in the main channel of the Indus river in the Pakistan and the river Bias in Punjab in India. The Ganges river dolphin has been recognized by the Government of India as its national aquatic animal. National river, Ganga. The Ganga is the national river of India and is the longest river of the India. National calendar, Shaka calendar. The Indian national calendar, sometimes called the Shalivahana Shaka calendar was adopted from 22 March 1957. National currency, Indian rupee. Indian rupee is the official currency of the Republic of India. The flow of the currency is controlled by the Reserve Bank of India. It's designed by Udaya Kumar, postgraduate in design from IIT Mumbai. National emblem, national emblem of India. The lion capital of Ashoka at Sarnath is the national emblem of India and was adopted as a national emblem on 26 January 1950, the day when India became a republic. National motto Satyamev Jayate. National days Independence Day, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti. 26 January Republic Day of India. 15 August Independence from the British Empire in 1947. 2nd October Gandhi Jayanti, birth anniversary of Father of the Nation. National Oath. National Pledge. It was written in Telugu by Paddimari Venkata Subba Rao in 1962. Central Advisory Board on Education directed that the pledge to be sung in school and this practice to be introduced by 26 January 1965. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe for more video updates.